Hey, well, welcome back to the channel. We are back at the shop today. Got Brandon's 80, we got my rig over there somewhere. We got a few vehicles in the garage. Got a third gen, got a Toyota pickup, and we got some Jeeps in here. There's a couple Jeeps. It's whatever, you know. But today we're working on Brandon's 80. He got a stupid deal on our rooftop tent. You'll see it a little bit later, but it's a roof nest, hard shell. Pretty sick. Got a stupid good deal on it. But anyways, he doesn't have a roof rack. He's got the factory roof rack is what I'm getting at, and it it doesn't quite work for a rooftop tent. So today we are modifying, I guess you could say, making our own roof rack, and it's it's nothing like it's not been done before. Getting some unistrut. He's already pulled some of the factory roof rack parts off, and so we've got it measured out and kind of figured out what we're going to do. So unistrut it is. Yeah, the good old unistrut. You can't beat it, honestly. So yeah, we're going to cut this in half, and it's going to go up there. It's going to go along that rail where the factory mount was at. We're going to mount it. We're going to screw the hell out of it. We're going to bolt it. We're going to glue it. We're going to do whatever we can to get that to stick. I think it's going to be strong enough. We think it's going to be strong enough. Do not do as we do. This is a complete DIY project. We've always been budget minded, with everything that we do. There's a lot of roof racks out there that look pretty sick with a hard shell on top of it, but you're talking $1,000 and a couple weeks out probably. So for less than $100 we can get a unistrut one, and I think we're gonna get it looking pretty damn good. It's gonna be snug to the roof line. It's gonna be nice and sleek and slim. So yeah, stay tuned and see what we do. Alright, well, you can kind of see what we got going on here. That's the unistrut. I had to, pretty it up. Ooh, that's smooth as a baby's butt. But anyways, yeah, that's basically what we got going on so far. That's the bigger unistrut. I don't know what size it is actually, but anyhow, we got the smaller unistrut that we're going to bolt on in front of these. So it's going to go across there, and it's going to go across back there, just past those things there, and then the tent will go on top of that, bolt on, and he's camping, hopefully.
Off of here. You're not supposed to be on it.
Whoa! We don't have workman's comp.
Let her rip.
Damn.
And that's pretty freaking high up there.
Yeah, no kidding, dude. I'm scared.
That was my bleed while you're trying to sleep.
I could close it. It's not that hard. This is pretty nice, not gonna lie.
I was just wondering, you got
Well, as you can see,
You want me to close it?
this is kind of where we ended up. Now, a lot has happened in between now and then. It's obviously dark, but that's the crossbar, and this is mounted about as close to the ceiling as you could possibly get it. But this it turned out nice. It is a nice tent,
Yeah.
and actually, it turned out strong. This roof rack we built, it is sturdy and strong.
You like a parachute?